Up until today, this cheesecake was kept as a hidden gem, yearning in my recipe drawer for the light of appreciation. It's a treasure too rich to be left in the shadows, too indulgent to be kept as a secret. It's only right that it's shared. Allow me to spread the joy with you. Let this cheesecake be a testament to the notion that joy, like love, multiplies when divided. For the cheesecake base, grind the cookies and peanuts. Transfer to a bowl, add sugar, cocoa powder, butter, and mix well. With a glass or your fingers, press against the mold until the base is formed. Take it to the freezer while we make the filling. Add the room temperature cream cheese to the mixer bowl along with the Greek yogurt, vanilla, and sifted powdered sugar. Beat on medium speed for 3 minutes or until you have a smooth mixture. Now, on a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until firm peaks. Next, gently fold in the whipped cream. Do not overmix as we do not want to remove all the air out of the whipped cream. Now bring the base out of the fridge and pour the mixture over the base and add the melted chocolate and melted peanut butter and have fun swirling. I divided this cheesecake mixture into 3 layers. Now place the cheesecake in the fridge while we do the peanut caramel sauce. Let's make the syrup now. Mix the water with the sugar and place it in the stove on low heat. Once on the stove, you're not going to stir until you get a light caramel color. At this point, remove it from the heat. You might have a few little crystals, but don't get scared. Just stir the pot a little bit and they should get dissolved. After a couple minutes, the syrup will have this perfect amber color. Now, still off the stove, add the butter, cream, and stir. At first, the caramel sauce is going to look runny, but as it cools down, it will get a thicker consistency, like the one you see in the video. Finally, mix this beautiful caramel sauce with the peanuts, and let's top our cheesecake with it. If you want the written recipe for this cheesecake, you can find it on my Instagram. See you there. And I hope this cheesecake brings you as much joy as it has brought to my friends and family.